Good morning. Good morning. How did you sleep? How did you sleep? I slept very well. I slept very well. I need to brush my teeth. I need to brush my teeth. I like this shirt. I like this shirt. I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. I want a cup of coffee. I want a cup of coffee. This food smells good. This food smells good. I'm leaving the house. I'm leaving the house. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. I'm going to the supermarket. I'm going to the supermarket. How much is this? How much is this? I'll take this one. I'll take this one. I'm back home. I'm back home. I put the food in the fridge. I put the food in the fridge. I like reading books. I like reading books. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm getting ready for bed. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.